I have 2010 Honda Odyssey, and today I'll be changing its PCV valve, or Positive Crankcase Ventilation Valve. I'm changing the PCV valve because I just recently noticed the Odyssey had started to consume some oil, and based on my experience with the Accord, a blocked PCV valve contributes to the problem. So I'm going to change the PCV valve. Right now, I have 137,739 miles on the Honda Odyssey. This is the new PCV valve. The part number on this is right here. I bought it online, but I bought it from a Honda dealer who was selling online. When I called the local Honda dealer, they had it for about $65 plus tax. So online on Amazon, I bought this Honda dealer, Kavud Honda, selling it for almost half the price. You can see it right here. The tools I need to change the PCV valve are a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, a 10mm socket, an adapter, and a 3-inch extension. All of these tools come in a tool set, a basic tool set that I use to maintain my vehicles. Changing the PCV valve is a very simple process, doesn't take a lot of time. It is located over here behind the cover. To take off the plastic cover, I use a flathead screwdriver, turn this 90 degrees here and 90 degrees on the other side, and then lift the cover. When looking at the engine, the PCV valve is this black color item you see here, right above the engine oil cap. The trick here is to find out how to get to it, and it's held here by a 10mm bolt. I'm going to see where the bolt is. You can see it is this one here, this bolt I'm pointing to. As long as I can access this, I can unscrew it, remove the PCV valve, and put the new one in. I can open the bolt probably some way, but not sure I'll be able to remove it completely because now there is this wiring harness that's right in front of it. So what I'm going to do is remove the wiring harness and just lift it up. To lift the wiring harness up, I gotta undo the wires that are going to the spark plug and the coil packs here, and also over here just unclip these two wires and also unclip from here. And then over here there's a clip as well. I'm gonna lift it up to lift the wiring harness. So let's do it. Clip on the front and just lift it up. Clip here. Okay. That's done. Now the other one has a clip on the front. Okay, that's good. This one, we just have to lift it up. So this at least gives me enough room on the right hand side to access the PCV valve, which is right here. So let me just see if I can just move it out of the way. To lift this wiring harness up completely, I have to remove the pipe connector here. So I'm going to do this right now. So this is the PCV valve that I'm going to remove, And that's the 10mm bolt that's holding it in. So I just need a 10mm socket to remove it. For an extension, probably works out better. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? So put that here. That's it. Careful, don't want to lose anything. And there looks like a metal, like a washer or something that's inside it. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver to remove the PCV valve from here. So I put a rag under it in case that metal washer, I'll lose it. So I had to push the PCV valve out with the screwdriver. And this is it. And there's just this metal washer thing. Gotta make sure I don't lose it. I'm gonna take that off and put that here. So that's the metal washer. This PCV valve looks pretty bad, actually. This one, of course, I've had 130,000 miles on the vehicle, so this is not looking good. And the other one is the new PCV valve. Big difference. So I'm going to install this right now. Here's what I've done. Put that washer, metal washer here on this like this, and the other side is like this. So insert the PCV valve. Actually pushed in a little bit. So right now I'm good. Just gonna hand tighten it because I don't want to put a ratchet force on it. This is good. So new PCV valve is in. I have to now reconnect the wires and the harness that I had removed to access it. Align the harness here, push that, making sure it goes into the clamps on this side as well as over here on the right hand side. This one, I'm not sure it's going in the right spot. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to reconnect everything. So this thing goes here. This one goes here. And the clamps for the spark plugs. And the two connectors down below. And the other one. And the one on this side. Okay, this takes care of this. Now I'll put that here and put the clamp on it. And lock it in place. Okay. Thanks for watching.